Hello, how are you? Today I am gonna show you how to delete your Gmail search history or activity history or YouTube search history. Firstly, you go to gmail.com and log in with your Gmail. Okay, then you need to click the right of the top account. Okay, or other you can go by setting. Click on the setting and click on see all setting. It's take time on you depend on your internet connection. And account and imports and click other Google setting. Then this page appears and go to the left of your browser, go to the data and privacy. You can use your mobile apps by the same process, but you need to go there Gmail app. Okay, same process. When you click on the data and privacy, then this page appears and scroll down and you can see history setting. You can see, okay, web and app activity, location activity, with YouTube history. That you means no web and app activity. That means you can search over all the browser, the Google get the cookies and store this. Location, wherever you want to go, the Android apps is located your location. YouTube history, that's you whatever you want to search in YouTube, the Google store this. Okay, let's see how can you delete that. Okay, firstly web and app, let's click on this and you can see here is the more various option. Okay, you visit it. Okay, then you can delete auto delete option. Here is the delete option. You can choose if you want to choose the auto delete option, then you can click on auto delete activity and older than 3 months 36 months exactly the Windows activity will automatically delete, no need to delete manually. Okay, if you chose this option. Okay, I don't want to choose this option. Okay, if you want to manually delete, then manage, then click manage all web and activity. Click here and you can see whatever I want to visit, the list is appears here. So you need to delete it, then click on the delete button. Okay, and here is the delete button, and if you want to delete all time, then click all time, then your all visited history will be deleted. Next, I want to delete. Okay, delete complete. Got it. The search history is deleted. Only delete. Let's take time to delete the story. Besides, I want to, there is no search history appears here. Okay, then you need to go location history. You can find whatever you want to go. You have to go. You have to, there you can find the location history here. Manage history. Click on manage history. See, in last couple of years, you wherever you want you go, the Google save this. Very simple. You can delete this also by clicking the manage history and click them all, or you can select auto delete option. I don't want to delete this. Okay, that's why I don't want to don't want to delete that. Okay, next option is YouTube history delete. I go there several servers. Okay, there you can find the YouTube history. You can check, you manage history, you can delete them all also by the delete option. Delete all time, delete today, or delete custom range. Okay, that's it, nothing tough, it's a simple way. So I hope you can enjoy this, I hope it will be helpful for you. Okay, thank you very much.